So this right here will piss off a lot of people. If you're running Windows 7 and Windows 8, you got 1 week left, and then no more security updates. January 10th. So if you do have one of these systems, hey, you gotta get updated to Windows 10 or 11, unfortunately. What's interesting is that when I read this article, uh, they did a Landsweeper survey, and there's about 27 million devices that are still running either XP 7 or 8. That is crazy. So yeah, this is going to be big news. I know a lot of companies, they still run these operating systems. If they're not off, that is going to be a huge vulnerability. So we'll see how this goes.